Ready to turn simple greens into a culinary masterpiece? Watch and learn as we craft a standout garlic broccoli dish destined to be your new top pick in the kitchen. Start by grabbing your fresh broccoli. Detach the florets from the stalk. Then roughly chop them into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking and optimal flavor in our finished side dish. Now slice those florets into even smaller bits. This step is key for superior cooking and achieving that perfect texture. Plunge the broccoli into a pot of boiling water and give it a quick 2 to 3 minutes blanch. This isn't just about cooking, it's a careful process to amplify the flavor, protect their valuable nutrients and lock in the delightful crunch and vibrant green. Next, swiftly move the broccoli from the pot to a bath of ice water. This stops the cooking process and retains the beautiful green color. Grab a bottle of olive oil. Drizzle a generous amount into the pan. It's the flavor foundation for our broccoli. Take some garlic cloves. Give them a gentle crush. We're coaxing out of the essence for that full, fragrant experience. Toss those garlic cloves into the pan. Let them sizzle and spread their aroma. Wait until the garlic suffuses the oil with its essence, creating an impeccable base for our dish. Now introduce the broccoli to the pan. Observe as it melts with the garlic and oil, transforming into an exquisite culinary creation right before your eyes. Sprinkle some salt for that extra flavor edge. And there you have it, a roasted broccoli recipe. Do you want to complete the meal? Click here for Saltimbocca alla Romana.